Mere Azizo, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we have to solve question number 10 of exercise number 5.3, which is on page 113. And this is our chapter number 5, and topic is arithmetic progression. Today we have to deliver lecture number 100. Today we have to deliver lecture number 100. And the question number 10 is, so that A1, A2, so on, AN form an AP, why AN is defined as below. यहाँ पर हमारे पास एक AP दिया हुआ है, so A1, A2, A3, A4, so on, AN is an AP. That means these are the terms of an AP. A1 is a term of AP, A2 is second term of AP, A3 is third term of AP, and so on, AN is the nth term of AP. While AN is defined as below. इसका मतलब है कि nth टर्म नीचे डिफाइन की गई है. इसके दो पार्ट है, फर्स्ट पार्ट और सेकंड पार्ट. फर्स्ट पार्ट इज an is equal to 3 plus 4n. an किसके बराबर है? nth टर्म बराबर है 3 plus 4n को. Also find the sum of the first 15 terms in each case. अब हमें पहले 15 terms का सम निकालना है. Here question number 10, the first part, its solution is here it is given, that this is the first part of question number 10. It is given that an is equal to 3 plus 4n. An is equal to 3 plus 4n. It is given. That means nth term is equal to 3n plus 3 plus 4n. Nth term is equal to 3 plus 4n. Now putting n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, so on. n के लिए हम ये वैल्यू अप्लाई करेंगे. Therefore A1 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 1, where we put n is equal to 1. Implies 3 plus 4 on 4, which is equal to 7. That means A1 is equal to 7. A1 is equal to 7. A1 means first term. First term is equal to 7. Then A2. Therefore A1 is equal to 7. Now A2 is equal to 3 plus 4. That means n का वैल्यू 2 है, तो यहाँ पर 2 लिखेंगे हम, which is equal to 3 plus 4 2s are 8, which is equal to 11. इसका मतलब कि इसकी सेकंड टर्म जो है वो 11 के बराबर है. फर्स्ट टर्म इज इक्वल टू 7, सेकंड टर्म इज इक्वल टू 11. Similarly A3, again A3 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 3, which is equal to 3 plus 12, that is equal to 15. A3 is equal to 13. That means the third term is equal to 13. A is equal to 3n plus A1 is equal to 7, A2 is equal to 11, A3 is equal to 15. Thus, the AP or B progression is AP becomes here 7, 11, 15, so on, so on. तो यहाँ पर AP क्या बनता है? AP बनता है 7, 11, 15, so on, so on, यानी इसकी पहली टर्म है 7 के बराबर, दूसरी टर्म 11 के बराबर, तीसरी टर्म 50 के बराबर. Here in this AP, A is equal, that means the first term is equal to 7, D is equal to 11 minus 7, which is equal to 4. Now we have to find A15. We have to find A15. Also find the sum of the positive 15 terms in each case. Therefore, A15 is equal to, as we know, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. तो यहाँ पर A के बदले यहाँ पर 15 है. A15 is equal to A plus 15 minus 1. A is equal to 7 plus 15 minus 1 into D. D is equal to 4. Or A15 is equal to 7 plus minus 7, 15 minus 1, 14 into 4, which implies 7 plus 4, 50 minus 1, okay, 14 into 4, 56, which implies 63. A15 is equal to 63. Sorry, we have to find here. Also find the sum of the positive. Not हमें तो sum निकालना है. Sorry, we have to find the sum of positive 15 terms, not 15th term, but sum of. That we have to find the SN. S15 हमें ढूंढना है. As we know that Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here n is 15, therefore S15, sum of first 15 terms is equal to n by 2, 15 divided by 2 into 2a, 2 into 7 plus n minus 1, 15 minus 1 into d, which is equal to 4. Or S15 is equal to 15 divided by 2 into 2 into 7, 2 7 are 14 plus 15 minus 1, 14 into 4. Which implies S15 is equal to 15 divided by 2 into 14 plus 14 into 4, 56. Which implies S15 is equal to 15 divided by 2 into 70. 56 plus 40. 56 plus 14 is equal to 70. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 carry on, 2 5s are 10. Which implies S15, sum of 15 terms, is equal to 15 into 35. That is S15 is equal to 15 5s are 75, 7 carry on, 15 3s are 45. 45 plus 7, 52. 52. Hence, the sum of 15 terms of the given AP is 525, and this is the solution of question number 10 of first part, 552. Then it is second part is question number 10. It is second part is an is equal to 9 minus 5n. Same procedure, same method. First part था an is equal to 3 plus 4n, and second part is n is equal to 9 plus 5n. And second part is your homework. You try yourself at your home. Then there is question number 11. If the sum of the first n terms, question number 11 is, if the sum of the first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square, सम दिया हुआ है पहले n टर्म्स का, इनका सम दिया हुआ है, ये बराबर है 4n माइनस n स्क्वायर के बराबर. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट टर्म? दैट इज s1. हमें फर्स्ट टर्म निकालनी है. व्हाट इज द सम ऑफ फर्स्ट टू टर्म्स? s2 निकालना है. व्हाट इज द सेकंड टर्म? a2 निकालना है. सिमिलरली फाइंड द थर्ड एंड द टेंथ टर्म, टेंथ एंड nth टर्म, यानी सेकंड टर्म निकालनी है, थर्ड टर्म निकालनी है, टेंथ टर्म निकालनी है, और इस तरह से nth टर्म हमें निकालनी है. तो फॉर दिस वी विल रब आउट फर्स्ट दिस पार्ट नंबर, क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 पार्ट नंबर फर्स्ट, वी रब आउट इट. तो पहले बच्चों अब हमारे पास है क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 ऑफ एक्सरसाइज नंबर 5.3. Since it is given here that the sum of the first n terms Sn, since Sn, sum of first n terms is equal to, it is given, which is equal to 4n minus n square. 4n minus n square. What is the first term? That is S1. Therefore, S1 is equal to, n की जगह हम 1 लिखेंगे. S1 is equal to 4 into 1 minus 1 square, which is equal to 4 into 1, 4 minus 1 square 1, which is equal to 3. Then S1 is equal to 3. What is the sum of first two terms? That means S2. Again, sum of first two terms, S2 is equal to 4 into 1, so 4 into 2 minus 2 square. We apply here the value of n as 2 is equal to 8 minus 2 square is equal to 4. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. That means S2 is equal to 4. S1 is equal to 3. S2 is equal to 4. Similarly, S3. What is the first term? That is S1. S1 हमने निकाला. What is the sum of first two terms? That means S2. ये भी हमने निकाला. What is the second term? What is the second term? Second term means A2 हमने निकाला. पहले हम लिखेंगे ये here S3 is equal to, S3 is equal to 4 into n के बदले थे हम 3 minus n square, 3 square, which is equal to 4 3s are 12 minus 3 square is equal to 9. 12 में से 9 तो वहां पर 3 निकलता है. That means S3 is equal to 3. Lastly, S4. Now S4, sum of first four terms is equal to 4 into 4 minus 4 square, which is equal to 4 into 4 16 minus 16, which is equal to 0. इसका मतलब है sum of first term is equal to 3, sum of first two terms is equal to 4, sum of first three terms is equal to 3, and sum of first four terms is equal to 0. So on. इस तरह हम करेंगे S5, S6, S7. तो यहां पर फिर हम करेंगे S9, sum of first 9 terms. S9 is equal to S9, 4 into 9 minus 9 square, This is S9, which implies 4 9s are 36 minus 9 9s are 81. Minus 81 plus 36. L1 में से 6, तो यहाँ पर 5, 7 में से 3, तो 4, minus 45. S1 is equal to 3, S2 is equal to 4, S3 is equal to 3, S4 is equal to 0, S9 is equal to minus 45, and S10 is equal to, and S10 यहाँ पर निकाला है हमें, find the third, the 10th, and nth term. S10 is equal to, S10 is equal to 4 into 10 minus n square is equal to 10 square. Implies 40 minus 100, which is equal to minus 60. S10 is equal to minus 60. Sum of first 10 term is equal to minus 60. Thus, similarly, find what is the second term? What is the second term? That means A2 हमें निकालना है. That is A2 हमें इस में से निकालना है. जो ये sum of first term है, sum of second term, sum of third term, sum of fourth term, sum of 9 term, sum of 10 term, इसमें से हमें क्या निकालना है? A2 यानी इस AP की second term किसके बराबर है? हम लिखेंगे इसको S2 minus S1. AP की second term निकालेंगे हम sum of first two terms minus sum of first term, तो वहां पर निकलेगा A2 निकालना है हमें. तो sum of first two terms S2 is equal to 4 minus S1 is equal to 3, which is equal to 1. So A2 is equal to 1. यानी second term, इस AP की second term किसके बराबर निकलती है? 1 के बराबर. What is the second term? Similarly, find the third term. Now, third term, A3, which is equal to sum of first three terms. That means S3 minus sum of first two terms minus S2. तीसरी term लिखेंगे हमें S3 is equal to, S3 यहाँ पर 3 के बराबर है, 3 minus S2 4 के बराबर है, which is equal to minus 1. इसका मतलब कि A3 minus 1 के बराबर है. A3 minus 1 के बराबर है. थर्ड टर्म, सेकंड टर्म किसके बराबर है? 1 के बराबर, और थर्ड टर्म है minus 1 के बराबर. Find the third term, 10th term. Also 10th term. That means A10 is equal to S10 sum of first n terms minus S9 sum of first 9 terms. वहां पर 10th term लिखते हैं किसके बराबर है? S10 is equal here, S10 minus 60 minus S1 minus 45, which is equal to minus 60 minus to minus plus 45, which is equal to minus 15. Minus 15. A10 minus 50 के बराबर है. A10 इक्वल टू minus 15. हमें यहां पर दिया हुआ है सम ऑफ फर्स्ट एन टर्म, जैसे Sn हमारे पास दिया हुआ है, which is equal to 4n minus n square. सम ऑफ फर्स्ट एन टर्म, that means Sn equal to 4n minus n square. फिर यहां पर है what is this first term, that is S1. ऐसा हमें निकालना है. S1 is equal to, इसका मतलब n का वैल्यू देंगे हम 1 के बराबर, 4 into 1 minus 1 square which is equal to 3. फिर हमें इसलिए S2 निकालना है. S2 निकलता है 4 into 2 minus 2 square which is equal to 4. फिर S3 sum of first three terms, 4 into 3 minus 3 square which is equal to 3. फिर S4 sum of first 4 terms, 4 into 4 minus 4 square which is equal to 0. इसी तरह से जब आप आगे बढ़ेंगे तो Sn sum of first n terms is 4 into 9 minus 9 square which is equal to minus 45. फिर sum of first 10 terms which is equal to 4 into 10 minus 10 square is equal to minus 60. तो इसके बाद हमें निकालना है AP की दूसरी टर्म A2. AP की दूसरी टर्म कौन सी है? A2 के बराबर है A2 is equal to S2 minus S1. Sum of first two terms minus S1 sum of first term. That means 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. सेकंड टर्म किसके बराबर है? इस AP के सेकंड टर्म यानी A2 1 के बराबर है. इस तरह से A3 is equal to S3 minus S2 is equal to 3 minus 4. Then A3 is equal to minus 1. इसका मतलब है कि इसकी तीसरी टर्म इस AP की तीसरी टर्म माइनस 1 के बराबर है. इस तरह से हमें इसके 10th टर्म निकाले. दैट मींस A10 इक्वल टू S10 माइनस S9. दैट मींस सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 10 टर्म्स माइनस सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 9 टर्म्स. तो वहां पर निकलता है A10 निकलता है माइनस 15. इसका मतलब है इस AP की 10th टर्म किसके बराबर है? इस AP की 10th टर्म माइनस 15 के बराबर है. माइनस 15 के बराबर है. फिर हमें lastly or similarly or we can say lastly हमें क्या निकालना है? and nth term that means an and nth term an बिल्कुल इसी तरह से है जिस तरह हमें यहाँ A9 या ये A3 is equal to S3 minus S2. A10 is equal to S10 minus S9. AN is equal to S9 minus SN minus 1. SN is equal to AN is equal to SN. AN in nth term is equal to SN sum of n terms minus sum of n minus 1 terms, which is equal to sum of n terms. If we put here AN is equal to sum of n terms. Sn 4n minus n square. Sn 4n minus n square. Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. It is given Sn is equal to 4n minus n square minus Sn minus 1. 4n minus 1 minus 4n minus 1 minus 4n minus 1 square. n square 4 into n minus 1 यानी आप